Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a sunset ombre half cut crease. So to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. The BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil 30 color eyeshadow palette and the Morphe 12P Picasso palette with 12 matte shades. First, take the yellow shade from the Picasso palette with a M433 Pro Firm blending brush and blend that above our crease and use it as a transition shade for the next color so it can blend out nice. Then using another M433 brush and the orange shade from the Picasso palette, I placed that into the crease and using circular windshield wiper motions, I blended it upwards into the yellow transition shade. And so far it should look like that. Then I went in with another M433 brush and the pink shade from the Take Me to Brazil palette. Pink under the crease and blended it up into the crease to blend with that orange and create a gradient look. This is how it should look. I then went in and took the light and dark purple and I placed it on the outer corner of my eye, blending it softly into my crease, but not too high because this is only to darken the outer corner a little bit. And this is how it should look. Then with a M432 flat brush and my LA Girl concealer in porcelain, I did a half cut crease. So I place the concealer down and then I look up to determine how high to cut my crease and then finish doing the half cut crease. Now with a S30 brush and a setting powder, I set the concealer and just patted it. Then going back in with the dark purple, I used this to buff out the harsh line from my half cut crease. So I just really gently buffed it out. Then the orange shade and blended it in front of the purple. Then take the pink shade and blend that in between the orange and the dark purple. And I'll blend it out. It should look like this so far. Then with the NYX Glitter Brilliance in Gold and any gold liquid liner, I went over and traced the line that was created from doing the half cut crease. And it should look like this. Then with the Tarte Tarteist Clay Paint Liner, I did my eyeliner. So I just placed a somewhat thin, thick line over my eye. Went in with the Shy Dye Shank Pin Eyelash Style in G900. Then I placed the eyelash in the middle of my eye and I used my tweezers to pinch the front forward and the back. Then I went back in with the yellow shade and I buffed it out on my lower lash line. And then with the orange shade, I did the same thing. Just went back and forth. Then with a M160 angled liner brush, I took the pink and I placed it right underneath. Then with any gold liquid liner, I placed that right underneath my lash line above the pink shade. Finally, I went in with the NYX glitter primer and an S8 brush and gold flakes. And I first placed the glitter primer in my inner corner. And then with that same S8 brush, I placed the gold flakes randomly, not in any specific way, just randomly in my inner corner. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like and subscribe for more videos.